Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good.
Awesome.
Where
So
are
have
you?
you been,
You're
sorry?
taking you're taking a long holiday because
Oh,
I'm searching lot 2 3 days. You're not. mm, Your photo is not coming. I thought you going somewhere else.
you thought I went somewhere else.
Sorry.
You thought I went somewhere else.
Can't
Can you
hear
hear
you.
me?
No.
You thought I went somewhere else, right?
Your voice is not coming clear.
Okay.
So,
Did you check
okay.
last time's recording?
Yes.
Okay. Was there the same issue in your earphones?
No. Now I listen
You
your
can hear
voice.
you.
Tell me. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You said where were you? Right? You asked me.
Yes, yes, yes. Because I searching you for the sessions and you are not there. I thought you going somewhere else. That is why. And
I
today
went
in the
somewhere
morning,
else.
I no. Today in the morning, I just searching you by the time wise, uh, and suddenly your pic is come. Oh my God! I feel so happy. Finally, you. I find you. That
Yeah.
is
So
there. So
I was busy with my office work, so I had to take some days off.
okay, you're doing also other work also.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I thought you're doing just teaching.
No, no. So this platform is part-time. So that's why we like this platform because a lot of people from different industries come here. We have teachers, we have dentists, we have students teaching us over here. Okay. So even for a client, it becomes a really good experience.
Okay, okay. So today
I
document I saw. Sorry.
Yes, go on.
No, I'm telling you the today documents you send me. There is some unconditional situations. So we can discuss.
Yes, sure. It's conditional situation, not unconditional. Okay.
Okay, okay. No, not. I'm finding the unconditional situation. That is why in my mind it's
No,
uncondition is running.
no.
Okay.
Unconditional means regardless of what the condition is, you do it. Like how we say our parents' love is unconditional, right? Even if you make a mistake, even if you do something bad, they still love you, right? Yeah. So that is what unconditional love means. Today we are talking about conditional situations. Situations that
Okay.
have conditions applied to them. Okay. So I'll give you the first condition.
Okay.
What would you do
Okay.
if you were invisible for one day?
If I invisible one day
If you were invisible for one
for
day. Okay,
like Mr. India.
just a reminder, I remember you make mistakes with prepositions. You say the a lot. Okay, so today we are going to focus on that. And also, this whole conversation is going to be in future tense.
Future tense. I
Yes,
thought it's past
because
tense.
no, because were you invisible? Were you ever invisible? And then we'll talk about it in the future tense that it might happen. It is something in the future, a hypothetical. Okay. So
Okay.
we don't say that when I was invisible. We say if I ever become invisible for one day. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Alright. Remember two things,
If
okay? Don't use the. I mean, you can use the where it's needed. Don't overuse the and future tense. Okay? Two things.
okay.
Alright, Miss Sonam. So
Mm,
if you were invisible for one full day, what would you do?
if I will invisible one day, so that I listen. The person is connected to me. What he or she think about me, what he and she talk about me, what he and she feel about me. That thing I want to listen.
Okay.
Mm, First thing is, and second, if it possible, okay, I'm saying if it's possible, I meet the Katrina Kaif. If it is possible,
I
imagine.
will meet
I
Katrina Kaif.
will, yes, I will meet the Katrina Kaif,
See, again you said
and
the Katrina Kaif.
okay,
Slow down. There's no rush. Slow down. Talk slowly. It's okay. I will meet
okay, okay,
Katrina Kaif.
okay. I will meet Katrina Kaif and I see what he do in her daily life,
She.
and sorry, what she do in her daily life,
What will
and
she do in her daily life? Again, future tense.
okay,
Okay.
what she will
What
do
she will
in her
do
day
in, yeah, exactly. Perfect.
in her daily life,
Yes.
and that is the second thing I want. If I what's it, if I an inja
If I become invisible,
and yes, if I become invisible, and third thing what I want. Mm,
what would you
I
want, Miss
don't get
Sonam?
idea.
What would you want to do?
Yes, if I invisible, then I will not eat anything. No,
Why
if
not?
I invisible, I want to eat some non-veg item,
You can't eat
and
non-veg item right now.
no, now I can't eat, but what I want in hotels, restaurant, I'm
Oh,
telling
you'll go and
the
have the
food
expensive
is
food.
yes, expensive food because there is not paying any money. That is why I'm telling.
Oh, okay.
And what will I don't know.
What else? Try to be creative. Try to think of something else.
Mm, I don't get the idea what you say. That is what now the time is going on.
Okay. So, we were talking about what I would do if I was invisible, right? You asked me.
Yes.
I would love to fly to England, to London,
Okay.
because I'm a big football fan. So I would love to go there and I would love to watch a football game. But it's really expensive because the flight tickets are, if I'm not wrong, they're around 50,000 rupees one way.
Okay.
So I would just quietly sneak into the plane, okay, and then just sit there in one corner until we land. And then I would run to the closest stadium and I would love to watch a game.
Okay.
That is the first thing I would do. Other than that, obviously, even I would like to have expensive food, right? But one thing you didn't think of is, if you're invisible, why will they make the food? There has to be a
Because
customer for
right
the
now
food, right?
we can't afford na expensive items. That is why I was thinking.
Then how about you do this? Uh, you go to the restaurant, you order the dish, you eat the food, you sneak under the table, you become invisible, and then you run away. So they can serve you, right? What, you can't go in the kitchen and then enjoy the food because then there'll be too much noise. There are so many knives and it's so unsafe in the kitchen. Right? Think about it. Just go, relax, sit on the table, call for the food, eat the food, and then become invisible and run away. Right? Isn't that a much better option?
Right. Yes.
Awesome. Okay, Sonam, you did well, but again, you need to be more careful about what tense you're using and the. Okay, the word the.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, you only
okay.
said it once with Katrina Kaif, which was good. It's good progress. But now I'm going to give you one more situation. So let's try it. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, please talk slowly. I know you might get excited, but talk slowly. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say I give you a credit card. Okay. Credit card, debit card, whatever. I give you a card, and I say that Sonam, you can spend how much ever money you want for the whole day, unlimited money. What would you do? Obviously, eat expensive food. I know. Other than that,
Other than that, first I will buy the so much of cloth, and visited so many places.
no, 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 no. Wait, wait. I will buy a lot of clothes. Okay, not so much of. So much of means um, just say a lot of clothes. So much means you're pointing at some amount of quantity. Okay, I ate so much
Oh,
rice.
okay,
This is the amount of rice I
okay,
ate, right? So we know how much rice you're talking about. When you don't know what the quantity is, you just say, I'll buy a lot of clothes. Okay, and I
okay. I
will visit. Visited is in the past. I will visit this place.
okay. I will buy a lot of cloth, a
Perfect.
lot of cloth, and I buy the ticket for going to Kashmir,
Yes.
right?
Okay. Yes.
And third thing, I buy the like mobile electronics items
I'll
like
buy a mobile, not the mobile, a mobile.
okay, I like iPhone mobile first. It's my dream. And
iPhone. You don't have to say iPhone mobile. I'll buy an iPhone.
okay, I buy the iPhone. And
See, Sonam, can I interrupt you for 1 second?
okay,
Yeah. You said I'll buy the iPhone, which is correct. Okay? Which is correct. Why? Because you're specifying which one. Okay? Now, let's say you ask me, Divyam, what is your favorite car? I'll say, no, you'll ask me, you saved up so much money. What are you going to do with the money? So I'll say, I'll buy a car. Okay? But if we're talking about my favorite cars and I say, oh, I love Ferraris or I love Jaguars, anything, Rolls Royce, okay? Then I'm allowed to say I would love to buy the Rolls Royce because we are talking about something specific, okay? That Rolls Royce, the Rolls Royce, okay? I think I told you this last time. We have a video on YouTube explaining how you can use the. Did you see it?
no, I can't see.
You haven't seen it.
But I will definitely see next time. I will
Yes,
see.
it will help you a lot. Okay, it is very very easy. It's only
Okay,
for 3 or 4 minutes, and there are only 2 or 3 videos. Please check it out. You will understand everything I am saying right now.
okay,
But when you said I will buy
okay,
the iPhone, it was correct. Okay, it is correct.
okay, okay.
Okay, go on.
Then
What else would you do with that money?
then I sorry.
What else would you do with so much money?
Yes. Then I will purchase a big house. Big
Perfect.
house, right?
Yes.
Then let's see it again. I'm going. No, I'm gone. I will going.
I will
Mm,
go.
I will purchase. I will go and let's see. If I want to go in Europe, then I want to purchase ticket.
Then I.
Then I buy the ticket
Okay, so you can say if
for
I wanted to go to Europe, I would buy a ticket.
a ticket.
A ticket, yes, again, because if you were talking
I
about
say
something
the
specific.
again.
Yes, you said the. Again, if you're talking about something specific, I would buy the first class ticket. The first class ticket. Specific. Okay. Now you're not
Okay.
specifying which ticket. You have to match it with the word you're using. Like I said, I will buy a phone, but I will buy the iPhone. Okay. I will buy a car.
Okay.
I will buy the Ferrari.
Okay.
Get it? I will buy a ticket. I will buy the first class ticket. All right.
Okay.
You can use it in this way.
That's it. I don't want to anything.
That's it. That is the end of your list.
Yes.
Good, good.
I don't have
Uh,
much requirement in my life.
wow,
I
that's nice.
save my money all in bank. That's it.
Are you investing it somewhere or are you just saving it?
No, I'm not investing somewhere. Just FD and that kind of investment I just do.
Okay. Yes, that's a safe investment. That's good. Yeah.
Yes. There is a
So,
no kind of loss. Anything we if we going to invest in share market and mutual fund all that there is a risk also. That is I'm not investing over that.
hmm, okay. Sonam, can I just give you some suggestions now before the session ends?
Yes, yes, yes. Very fast.
Okay. So, don't, please relax, don't rush.
It's going. Time is
It's
going on.
okay.
That is I'm
Okay,
saying.
okay, okay. I'll make it quick. I already told you about the. I already told you about your tenses. Okay. Today was talking about the future tense, and you did well. Once I told you, you corrected yourself. Okay, you did good. One more thing, your vocabulary can be improved. You said I will buy a big house. Now instead of saying that, try saying I will buy a mansion. I will buy a bungalow. I will buy a building, or I will buy an apartment
Oh,
complex. Okay, these are more interesting words you can use for the same
okay.
sentence, right? And
Yes.
you don't go in Europe, you go to Europe.
Sorry.
You don't go in Europe, you go to Europe.
Okay.
Okay,
So I
Sonam?
say I go to Europe. I go to Europe.
Yes. If I want to go to Europe,